Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Zima dental subscription. So by mistake or if you know, like if you have any active subscription on this platform, so how you can cancel. Basically you need to visit on the official website and you need to log in into your account, and once you logged in into your account, what you have to do, you can see the steps. You need to tap on your profile icon at the top side, and once you tap on your profile icon you will see this kind of option, and over here you can see manage subscription button. You need to tap on manage subscription button. Once you tap on this button, it will show you all your active subscriptions, all your orders. You can also see, you can also update your address, and you can see like manage subscription. You can tap on the manage subscription button and you can cancel your subscription, but the cancellation must made at least 48 hours before next scheduled billing date, because if you are not going to follow this rule, they will charge on your account and all charges are non-refundables. Okay, so basically this is the method by which you can easily cancel your subscription. Now if you have any other issue, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.